amount of cheese and bulldog noodles. Oh my gosh. Cheesy chicken fire noodles from Tutjim. Oh, my mouth is watering. Mm. Mm. Oh, it's spicy. We have chicken and mozzarella. Radish. There's cheese inside the sausage. Radish on top of my noodles. Am I the only one that likes their noodles like clamped up like this? Water. Okay, chicken, noodle, and radish. Anyways, I'm done now. I will see you soon, girlies. Bye. Mwah.
Bowl, bring your own seaweed. You can make tiny little hand rolls, sushi rice. Look at the quality of the salmon here. Seaweed salad, little hand roll.
Primitas, today we're going to be having a Flying Dutchman and some cane spread. Bon appetit, Primita. Now let's try it with the cane sauce. Just a little bit. Mm-hmm.
It's good.
Hey, what's happening? Found a super uni bowl. It has rice, seaweed, caviar, and uni. Tastes like umami. Mommy? And this quail egg that you mix together. Look, it looks raw. I like it raw.
Oh, do you now?
Yes, sir. So good.
We've got Samyang noodles. Just made myself a gourmet bowl of buldak ramen. I've got pot stickers, hot dogs, eggs, green onion. I put peas in it this time. My husband tried it last time and he told me I had to try peas in it this time. So I'm excited to try those. Lots of cheese and gochujang and gochugaru. Let's see, I'm so excited. Quite literally perfection. I'm gonna try the peas. Okay, that's good. It's like a little bite of fresh, and it also like pops in your mouth. Hot dogs from Costco. Pot stickers also from Costco. The peas are honestly surprisingly really good in it. Okay, so we've got egg, green onion, peas, noodles. Yeah, that's gonna be a great bite. It's gonna be a big bite though.
So I wasn't planning on making a video today, but I've been seeing this Hot Ones Blazing Bourbon Chicken from Panda Express all over my For You page, and it looks so good, so I had to try it. I love any of Panda's food that has these red chilies on it, so I just have a feeling this is going to be really good. I think they said this is made with one of the hot sauces from the Hot Ones, so let's see if it's spicy. It looks so good. So I'm getting no spice whatsoever. I'm guessing the spice really comes from the chilies, which I love. So I'm going to take a bite with the chili. I don't know what these are, but... So if you don't eat it with the chili, it's really not spicy at all. It has more of like a sweetness to it. It tastes really good when you eat it with the chili though. So I would definitely get this again, and I would rate it an 8.5 out of 10.